it's like Kevin Keegan under Newcastle. We can't seem to maintain or sustain that gap in the goals. You know, I can dissect as much as I want, but the biggest thing is, you know, I needed that 3 points as well for me. It was a low blow losing 4-0 at home. A few things, losing Isaac as well. You know, who motivates the motivator. So that was good for me as well. So I'll be charged up now.
You've got to give the lads a lot of credit for the second half performance, but you know, you've also got to give it to them for the first half defending. And I'm not just talking about the back four here, by the way. I'm talking about defending from the front. One of the goals, we could have stopped it up the top of the pitch. We've let it go, thinking it doesn't matter in that area. They go straight down the pitch and score. So yeah, but listen, there's positives to take. Although we got beat, there's positives to take out of it. And you know, we'll be fighting tooth and nail for the full season to get ourselves out of the position we're in.
The first one was I know I've got that in my locker. I just needed that yard to get it on my feet and strike, and it's going in. The second one we worked on that in training, and it come off today. So credit to everyone.
Intentions now move on to the Welsh Cup next week.
Yeah, as I said, it's one game at a time. It is. We've been here before last season, where we think we picked up 8 victories, 1 draw and 1 loss, I think. So we understand what it is about. It's not about looking forward. It's about looking purely at the next game, and the next game is the Welsh Cup. We went and watched them on Saturday against Porthmadog. Good team, and they've had a few issues off the pitch with what happened. But we're expecting a very tough game, and we will not be underestimating any team.